When you have too much expiry milk, it's time to make the viral Korean rice mask. Add a quarter cup of rice, 1 cup of milk, and 3/4 cups of water into a non-stick pot. Bring to a boil, cover and let it simmer for 30 minutes until you get a pot of porridge. Blend on high speed until it's smooth. Now if you want it to be extra smooth, you can strain it with a cheesecloth. The best time to make this mask is right after lunch because it smells so good and you may end up eating it all. Mixing a tablespoon of honey can make the mask more moisturizing and antibacterial. You can apply it to your face, hands, elbows, or wherever it's dry. For the best result, cut a rice paper into small pieces. Soak them in water for 3 seconds. Put them on your face to calm the skin and lock the moisture. 10 minutes later, wipe or wash off the mask. Your skin will be glowy like glass.